Back on the ZX Spectrum Next issue 2, and I want to show you something that I learned without even looking at the menu. Let's just muck around with the damn keyboard. See, I'm in this folder. I'm going to load up that wonderful Dizzy. To get out of it, it's this equal button here, or L on right there. So I'm going to click that, and that will get you out of this directory, way out. Like, it'd be nice to get out of just a little bit, but no, you've got to go back into here, go all the way through here, go to the Dizzy fan site right there, click on that, go down to Wonderful Dizzy here, there we go, click on that, and I can get out of the thing. That's just great. Now I reload this, and I thought it'd be a 1 to 8K or 48K, but no, it's 1 to 8. So yeah, you would think it'll load. Maybe it's in memory. So I've got to maybe do this, reset it, and then try it again, and click on that. No, it's just like it remembers it. Oops. But yeah, at least we got the yeah, we can get out of there now and using the directory. Or do I just go switch off, switch on, and then extra calls, space menu, or yeah, so click on there, go all the way down to Fansite Dizzy, Wonderful Dizzy again. Yeah, it doesn't say yet. That's it. Hopefully it's nah. Yeah. Oops. So that's another thing about the ZX Spectrum Next, is that if you don't know if it's a 1 to 8K, which I'm going to have to put it on there, type it all in, back onto the computer and do it. Hopefully that would reset it because it's in memory. It gives you option. You want 48K or 1 to 8K. And I thought that's the 48K, so I'm going to have to change that. So we get back out. We can go here, browse, and we can click out of there by pressing L button, which is great news. It really is. Newly made Spectrum games. Oh, that's all that Max freaking stuff. Yeah, no. These are all newly Spectrum games. I mean, this is just amazing. There's shitloads here. All new 2023, 2022, 2020s, 2021s. So there's a 48K one there. So I'm going to have to go into the other one and type in 1 to 8. See, this it gives you the options here. Yeah, so I'll remember it. So I just put it in 4 because it didn't say 1 to 8, so I'm going to have to go through the directory and make sure, yeah, it's 1 to 8 modes. And I got the sound to work because I'm using this one from Big W, $20 at the time it was. Use it on the Switch. These should have built-in speakers, these mice, but they don't. To jump. Start, yeah, K for Kempston, K. I push up, yeah, obviously. Hey! It's really, really cool. I love it. Get to play. It's getting better and better. Once I get the hell of it, it won't suck as much as anymore, but it's still a pain in the butt working out. But once you get the hang of it and you use it all the time, I'll be able to remember it, how to do things. But yeah, that game for the 1 to 8, as I had it on 48k mode, and yeah, it's not remembering. It actually remembers what I press number 4 and it should just reset. So I can do number 1 to 8, but anyway. So I can get out of there and browse, and I don't have to type in 1 to 8k anymore, or 4k or any of that. It just remembers it. So yeah, we just got to remember that make sure it is a 1 to 8 and you don't press number 4 on a 1 to 8 game. And I didn't know that I've got to put 1 to 8k on those files, so I've got to load up the Mac and clean out those destore play things. But anyway, we're just going to click here, and that's all I wanted to show you an update. Alright, till next time.